Abusia mema wo akwaba edewo ba Amazing TV eso. Mesra subscribe to this very YouTube channel so unya unsubscribe ya. Na like this video we na share na afoforo enya bi enhwe. Se wo adwenkyire bi afafa comment box ne mu. Yensa ebeka abusia adwumadie yi a wo hwe yi aye 3-in-1 news. Ewo Amazing TV eso na se kasa 3-in-1 news wa. Ye the news mako 3 ede maw ewo show ba kompeso. Abusia yensa ebra no mesra mo se ye hye ensem na se dia. Mama yenhwe sa video we embrace yakoba e na meka ho asem just hwene ye fama me what ase yes na like it na
he had his new job as a mortuary attendant and got pranked on his first day at work.
Abusinya de tell say video yi a wo hwe eye papa bi a kire se ono ni wiase wo adwuma sa wonya e na a kire se wande bi fama na a kire se wonya adwuma wonya eye mortuary attendant yes mortuary attendant omo a omu yi funu e wo mo kire no da abusinya papa in the first day at work e na a kire se enkrofo already no ya employ mo e wo kire se mo kire honom no omo yi omo adwen se omo be prank no e na ejai ba kokoda fundaka mu e na a kire se ba ko so LED papa imani baby so jai obi asu anipa na wodamu no pie no wa wo hwe speed na okoye na anu oden what ase yes na busuya obenya adwuma no na adwuma bi sei die unya na prank bi sei bamu a udi agre ko no ma na wabamu ye den ebu ye what ase yes obibia so cash abusuya na no what ase the main agenda papa your friend is Honorable Kennedy Japan akompre ko Kennedy Japan ase na nse ne honsam atrende pa efa ni stroke ensense mama force wo yale wo bewu ane ejai Ghana sofofo no bin ma ono mu enyaye eye na aja gesi mo ne ehokura ne bo mo ni ache yes na de temi sabusua de ababetom ane se Kennedy Japan a chese Ghana fo no binim se ogu no ne video bi aba abonten na busua papa no se de wosi kasa de menim se ebi onwa akobo energy foforo e de amane de because ahoɔden aman na nya no ano oden ebi o de Ghana fo abusua mama yankonkotwe Kennedy Japan embrai ha sei eye Amazing TV bo homoden na like sa video we na share na afoforo enya bi enhwe yankonkotie de Kennedy Japan working yes finally Ghana for yenhwe de Kennedy Japan good news we free the camp ababeka yen say what ase like it na share me see ya den like it na share na bibia anya kama
no we are not next week Desia, I'm going to break away. My own.
What do you mean? I lie. I saw that they are.
Obey your last person. Yeah, we have to get high. No, you more come, more the social media.
I'm Muzamfona, Musa, and Yamin more day.
Abusia yes Kennedy Japan video no ana yakwhwe ye no de tell say emprempro am no kase odaso ewo aburuchire no ho a na wonimu na Ghana for say Kennedy ntimi nkasa na stroke ache no na wontimi nkasa ne eho koro ne ba ene say Kennedy Japan waye video aba abonten a wo kire say nyame eye adom a next week ena obeye den ena obeba what ase na it means say ebia fiti Monday mu no ho a ekono ebetimi ho Kennedy Japan anim ewo Ghana ka say yes we ene de wode aba yenso yemamwaso ayeden ati
you're going to select a song from a father who sold his son out, from a godfather who has sold out. How did I sell out Stone Boy if Ghana can answer me? You see, those were the things that hurt me, because I don't know how or where or when I sold out Stone Boy. If you have done that interview with Shawnee B and you know you have messages with me that I am always there for you, I have done radio interviews based on what you've told me. I would message a radio DJ and tell him, put me on your show tomorrow morning, I want to talk about my guy's thing, based on what message you've sent me low-key backdoor. Say, I beg, if you no say nothing, it's not looking good. So someone like that, if you go back on air and go and say I no day for you, thinking I don't have a mouth to come say anything, one fine day I'll sit on joy and I'll also get emotional and I'll probably spill a bit of it like I'm spilling now. So if I know that me and you have that rapport and I hear you on radio say that when you need me I'm not there, it hurts. It makes me sit and break down. Like, is he saying that to just keep the thing going, or is he saying that because now I don't know what's happening, but it looks like if I am part of the thing, then he doesn't look as prominent in the room anymore, because I didn't get that response. I let that slide. Yeah, then the main clash itself happens. Then you're on stage. Then Wale goes to select one of my songs.
Abusia de tell say the Samini Eken and say was Stone Boy say or no Samini no why or no Samini no why or no Stone Boy no sell out. Samini H the moi say Stone Boy na ho say obeka nsambone obesha ase aka nsambone e de afa no Samini ne ho ene ono so obe start na ono so ensem a ewo between ono ne Stone Boy no ono so de be den ono so de be back out na ne Aisha Modi any trisi buache mono no what ase. Yes, na mesra mo mama men kan de Twini Jonas de okan wo say afa yen IGP Dampare ehun Twini Jonas ababe post to afa IGP Dampare ho say hi everyone. Many people said IGP is now arresting innocent people who demonstrate against bad rules, so I should stop giving him the abrofuma free. Is that true or not? Share with 100 people and let me know everyone's opinion. If I should continue on getting him all right or no. Life is good in heaven on earth. Glass and Kwasha from the free. The system is working 24/7. War map coming. We run the city. Yes, Abusia. According to Abranta, your friend is Twini Jonas and was say Nanka was say Obama IGP Dampare Obama ne diabrofuma free. Now was say when yanity be said to see IGP. A coin na wanam so na ye nyina enim se wonam kwa ekwan paso no to see our slide. Just as a no be a some fata. Nina ne say MP bi na your friend no sasuo se ho ni na okọ block e kwan ne ya ho kro ne ba ye se ya kwa akwache no no o kiremu asa action na IGP e take no Ghana for say enye what ase enti sa abrofoma na wo ye na adwen se wo de be ma IGP no wajai o ma IGP enye den ense ho biem what ase just